Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've got this box from Crafter's Companion. It's a craft kit. Every month there's a new kit. This one is box number 38. Yeah, you can say it now. Pop out scene. It's a craft kit which has over 200 elements and it comes in this beautiful box, so everything's inside. What I wanted to do, I was about to open the box, but I thought maybe some people didn't see it before, so I will show you how this box looks like. So it's a beautiful box with a fantastic welcome message from Sarah, and it looks like this. What I did, I started to open some of the envelopes because everything's beautifully packed in the envelopes, and as you can see, let me show you, everything's written on the sticker, so they're packed in nice beautiful envelopes. In the first one we've got stamps, good quality stamps. Then the second one, because I started to unwrap everything yesterday, but I thought it's better to record it. We've got some ribbon in 3 different sizes and 3 different colors. And what I do, I keep all those envelopes for maybe for the future projects. And some pearls. Of course, everything is color coordinated, so everything will work really well together. And as you can see, this one, I haven't opened this one, it says metal dies. Let's see what's inside. I usually try to open them without breaking the paper because I want to use the envelopes. So these are 2 dies. One has I think some kind of butterflies. Oh yeah, they are separate. And this one, as you can see, you can cut out into the card, the same as this one. And there are butterflies and balloons separately as well. And of course, we've got card blanks. I want to try to, you see, sometimes you can actually manage to open it, remove the sticker without destroying the envelope. These are, I think, 4x10 card blanks. This one probably is 5x7, looking at the size. And what I will do, I will show you everything what's inside the box, and then I will create some projects and show you at the end. And this one is 6x6, so you've got 3 different sizes of card blanks. Yep, another set of card blanks. Let me see, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 card blanks, and a full envelope of envelopes for all those card blanks. And what's that? Printed paper. So this is 8x8 papers. I'm trying to open it without destroying this really pretty envelope. So let me show you the designs. Let me see how many pages. 1, 2, 3. 3 pages of each design. Oh, this one is so cute. Look at this paper. Some bunnies. And we've got this one with some dots. Another one. Really beautiful colors. 3 of each. And the last one, the last element, it's a colored card. And of course, as you can see, they all match beautifully. So we've got probably 3 of each. Yes, 3 yellows, 3 cream or neutral brown. Yep. So they all match together. And let me show you the back of the box. So let's see if there are any ideas how to use that. At the front you can see what kind of types of cards you can create, and as you can see you can make a minimum of 24 cards. And you've got everything written here what's included in the box. So this one is craft kit number 38, available on Crafters Companion website, and it's called Pop Out Scene. And what I will do some inspiration, some cards, and I will show you very soon. So I've created 5 cards from this card kit. Of course I've got much more left, so I can create more cards projects. So the first one is a 10-fold card with this boy and the cake birthday celebration, time to celebrate. I used everything from the kit except of the circle die because I thought this looks nice when it's framed actually. And I used alcohol markers, tri-blend alcohol markers to color it. And on the balloons you can see, yes, you can see a little bit of sparkle pens from Crafters Companion as well. So this one is a 10-fold, and what we do with the balloons and butterflies, we put them on the thread. Of course you need to add the back as well. So this one is quite simple card. The second one is very similar but with different scene. Again, it's and I added the butterfly on the thread, so you've got like a spinning effect here. Quite nice as well. And the next 2 cards I used this kind of effect. It's like a pop-out card with the center, and that scene has been cut out from this dark blue cardstock with some sentiments, and again balloons are colored with alcohol markers, tri-blend alcohol markers with a hint of sparkle pen. The next one is the same. I just added that frame from this just standard nesting die, circle nesting die with some butterfly over here, some pearls which are included in the kit, and sentiments. Everything is colored with alcohol markers. And this one actually, what I use this 4x10 card blank, and I glue them together in here in the center, and I created this 10-fold easel card. I thought this type of card is quite nice. You can see over here I added ribbons, butterfly, and I decided to keep the scene in a one neutral color. We've got the sentiment and pearls as well, so you've got this effect. I hope you can see it properly. So these are 5 cards made from this latest kit, Pop Out Scene by Crafters Companion. This kit is number 38. I hope you like this kit. If you've got any question, just write it down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.